you sleeping here? You should be on bed. At least, that's more comfortable.
Come on, sit down. My princess, I wasn't really sleeping. I was just closing my eyes for a while.
Mom, you need rest. You need rest in this condition. Please, I don't want anything to happen to you and my unborn sister.
I know. And who told you the baby I'm carrying is a girl?
Come on, Mom. I can feel it. It's definitely gonna be a girl.
Oma, don't feel it. I need this baby to be a boy. And your daddy also need the baby to be a boy.
But Mom, what's the problem with being a girl? What's all this fuss about wanting a boy?
My princess, you will not understand. Let's talk about this some other time, okay? Help me up. Let me go and rest inside.
I greet you, Your Highness. We know you are a wise and just king. You do not condone any act of injustice. And that is why I have decided to raise this topic. It's about your brother Chike. The fact that he goes around the village proclaiming himself as the next king is enough to be called treason. He goes around the village, flaunting himself and whoring around, despite being old enough to be a grandfather. If you ask me, I think he has something up his sleeves.
And what do you think I have up my sleeves? My sword. What do you think? Brother, see the kind of men that surround you. People that go around spreading gossips and talk like market women. And Aquarius. Chike. You will do well to address me as Your Highness. Your Royal Highness. Chike. Anytime you see me sitting on this throne, cast aside. Forget whatever relationship lies between both of us. See me as your king and address me as your king. Yes, Your Highness. Chike. Let's sit down. If you want to. I don't want to sit down. Chike, the reports I get about you, the reports that come to me about your daily activities in this kingdom, those reports are becoming alarming, and I tell you, I don't like them. Chike, anybody that looks at you will know that you are a full-blown man. Huh? Yes. He's not a child. Of course, Your Highness. Besides, you're a prince. And see, let me tell you, this throne might become yours any time, any day, by any circumstance. But before that happens, I do not want you going around the kingdom claiming what you are not. If you do it and I get any further report about it, I will clamp you in detention. And that will be treasonable. A treasonable offense. Do I make myself clear?
Perfectly, Your Highness. May you live longer.
Elders,
Your Highness.
this meeting has come to an end. Yeah. Tell me, how are my queen and the prince doing?
King, we are fine. But you took your time today.
Oh, yes. The affairs of the state, the affairs of the kingdom requires my full attention. I am king and I need to be there all the time. I need to put in that kind of work and, of course, infuse it into the boy growing inside you. Come on. What is it? Have I said anything wrong?
No, my king.
Good.
It's just that I was thinking,
Yes.
what if it's another girl, not a boy?
No. No. What you have in here is a boy, a male child. Huh?
But your daughter believes it's a girl.
What does she know? Huh? She's too young to understand these things.
What if she's right?
Then we try again. I need an heir to continue my lineage. I mean, come on. You should understand this about me. Huh?
My king,
Yes.
I don't think I can try this again. Have you lost count? If you have, I haven't. Have you forgotten that after Oma, your princess, I had about 4 miscarriages and 3 stillbirths, which turns out to be all girls. My king, I don't think I can do it again.
You see, that's why we need to pray and hope. Hope that this one becomes a boy. Come on. Don't give vent to the childish thoughts of your daughter. Huh?
If you say so, my king.
Cheer up. We are having a boy. Yes. Right.
Come on. Get up, please. My kid. Fine.
My baby.
Sorry.
The king. Oh, my baby.
Doctor, please, how is my wife?
Your Majesty, there is something very important I need to tell you right now.
Doctor, what are you talking about? Has anything happened to my wife and baby?
Your Majesty, we need to take drastic action as we speak. Else we're going to lose both mother and child. Your Highness has lost so much blood, and that has actually left her very weak and unable to push out the baby.
Come on, Doctor. What do you mean? What is it?
We have to carry out an operation on her, Your Majesty, but I cannot assure you that we can keep both mother and child alive.
I don't understand where you're going, Doctor. What is happening?
I have to be very honest with you, Your Majesty. If we are able to carry out the operation, then we can be able to save the child.
Doctor, what are you talking about? Listen, Doctor, nothing should happen to my wife. Please, nothing should happen to my wife.
Your Majesty, I sure mean no disrespect, but I have to tell you this. That is just the only way we can keep the boy alive. Don't you think so?
Wait a minute. Doctor, Did you say the boy? Is the baby a boy?
Yes, Your Majesty. The baby is a boy.
Doctor, please, save the baby. Save my boy. Save the baby. The Queen will understand. The boy. The boy.
Nurse Essie. Nurse Essie.
Doctor.
Please come. Cover up the child and do all the necessary things. I need to put a call right now. I need to call Your Majesty.
Yes. Yes, doctor. Doctor, what is it? Talk to me. What's happening?
Your Majesty, we lost him.
I didn't get that. Save who and who?
We lost both mother and child.
Doctor, did you lose my boy?
Yes, Your Majesty. We did all we could to save them both. But we lost them. I'm sorry.
Doctor, you lost my boy. Doctor. 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 They lost my boy. They lost my boy. What wouldn't I do to have her back? I will give everything to reverse my actions. If only I knew. If only I knew that my decision would lead to this pain, this anguish, this guilt.
What's wrong? Why are you walking up and down as if the world is coming to an end?
Well, you just put it very succinctly. The whole world is coming down on me. The scheme for community affairs, which we submitted to government, has not been approved. The scheme itself is just 2 days away.
My king, that's not enough reason to give yourself a sleepless night. Always remember that where there is life, there is hope.
I don't see that hope coming from anywhere. Here is something the secretary was supposed to submit in time. He failed to put it in at the appropriate time. If he had done it, all this wouldn't have arisen.
My darling, don't be too hard on yourself. Just relax. Have some patience. Things will fall in place soon, okay? Okay, what will happen is that first thing in the morning, I will call the first lady. And definitely she will do something.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh, what will I do without you?
My king. Yes. What are you looking for?
Looking for my bracelet. The cowrie's bracelet.
Oh. My king, here is it.
Where did you get it?
From drawer.
The drawer. I just searched the drawer.
Oh, my king. Let's just say I have an eagle eyes.
See, that's why I love you, you know? You know how to do virtually everything.
Thank you, my king. Thank you.
Hold it, let me just press.
Okay.
Oh. Here. Yes.
Dad, please, don't be too hard on yourself. You couldn't have done anything. It's not your fault.
It is. It is. My daughter. It is my fault. I chose a son over her. I didn't know it would get to this. If I hadn't done that, today she will be here.
But Father, wherever Mom is, she must have forgiven you. Please forgive yourself. Please.
I've tried. My daughter. I've tried. But I couldn't. The guilt is crushing. You won't understand.
Father, I understand. I understand. I miss her much more as you miss her. But there is no amount of tears that can bring her back. Please let it go. Please. You have to forgive yourself. Forget. Just let it go. Please. Father, please. Just let it go.
Your Highness. On behalf of myself and my family, I sympathize with you on the demise of your wife, our dear queen. It is quite a tragic one. And we all feel the pains. Your Highness, please, take heart.
Yes, Your Highness. The entire village mourns with you. But there is something also bothering us. While we are mourning your loss, it seems some people are happy about this.
What do you mean?
Your Highness, it was gathered that after the death of the queen, your brother threw a party and was celebrating it as if he's happy that we lost the queen.
You sure about this?
I got this information from a reliable source, my king. And the person that told me this had no reason whatsoever to lie.
Let me know the name of that person and I will bring him here and strangle him myself. Does he know what he's doing? Does he know what he's doing? That is against the prince. And that's punishable by death.
I honestly cannot tell you that, my king. You know I've never brought any false information before. And I got this very particular information from the censors. So there's no doubt about it.
Your Highness, you really have to call your brother to order. Because his inordinate ambition is assuming its full colors. And we never can tell his next plan. He is my brother. Oh. How do they say it? It is below me. Cross of the sword. Let me say this now. Hold on. We'll see how we mend fences. Thank you.
Your Highness, send for me.
Chike, if I ask you this question, will you give me an honest answer.
You should know me by now. I say things the way they are. I don't sugarcoat.
Very well. Are you happy about my misfortune? Chike, are you happy that I lost my wife and son to the cold hands of death?
Why will I be? What kind of man would that make me?
Then what's this I hear about you celebrating loudly, having a loud party following the deaths of my wife and my son?
We all mourn and grieve in different ways.
Chike.
Yes.
Chike, do you know, each time I look at you, the difference keeps lengthening, yawning wide. I keep wondering if we are related by blood. I keep wondering if both of us came from the same woman's womb, the same father. Chike, our parents were kind, they were compassionate, they were cool, they were quiet, they were accommodating. But you, I don't know where you are coming with this. Do I call it wickedness? Do I call it... What is it? Lackadaisical attitude?
You are free to feel the way you are feeling because they gave you the whole power. Because they gave you the whole power. How will you feel if you are the person eating from the crumbs that fell from the table? How will you feel?
Chike, I give you everything. I gave you everything you wanted. I gave you even more. Tell me, what else do you want?
I'm tired of being at the receiving end. I want to be the person giving. I'm tired of standing here listening to your gossips, this, that, this. For your information, that throne, I must sit there one day, whether I like it or not. Is that what you're calling me for? Excuse me.
I know how you feel. Trust me, I understand you very well. Because I know what it means and how it feels to be without a mother. But you have your whole life ahead of you. You understand? And no matter how you grieve, cry, harm yourself or anything, it will not bring your mother back.
I have tried. But each time I see my father sad, I also share in his pains.
Your father is the king. And he needs you to be strong in this trying time. You understand? You're the one that is closest to your father. And you should know how to make him happy. Because a happy king is a happy kingdom. Water.
Okay, I will try. Honestly, I just feel like locking myself up all day.
That will do nobody any good. You understand? In fact, it will further push your father into depression. What are you even doing? Eh? You no longer act like a princess. I see you walking aimlessly, gallivanting around the whole kingdom without a guard. You need to pull yourself together. You're not the only one that have lost her mother. Is it because I've not told you welcome to the club? What of me? Have I died? Pull yourself together and act act like a big girl because now you're acting like a small girl. Oh. Eh? This is your small size now. People will now start thinking you are a small girl.
I will try.
Baba, good evening.
Come. Huh? Come in. Where do you think you are coming from by now?
I went to spend some time with Oma. You know, she needed company and consolation. And then we also went out because she wanted to leave the palace environment.
You see, I have checked for you in your room. To check on you, you were not there. But due to the urgency and importance of what I want to discuss with you, that's why you see me sitting here waiting for you. Okay. Nkechi, my daughter, don't you think that apart from the Princess Oma, there's someone else who needs your consolation?
How? Who could that be?
The king, of course. Yes, the king. This is the right time for you to get the king, concentrate his attention on you.
I really do not understand what you're talking about.
I know you're still feeling giddy about it. Eh? Now, you see, in this game of power, for so many years now, we have been playing the underdog. This is the right time for us to grasp the rare opportunity we have been waiting for. Yes. You see, the king needs an heir to that throne. And you know, he has only one girl. No male. And for him to achieve that, first thing first, he has to remarry. Yes. And now, so many maidens will jump at this very opportunity at your disposal. Eh? So this is the right time for you to get closer to the king so that he will favor you above the other maidens. Eh?
Don't you think it will affect my friendship with Oma?
Forget about your friendship with Oma. With time, Oma will live to accept it. She has no option. Eh? It is the king's duty to remarry if he intends to keep that very throne. Now I'm coming to a relationship with Oma. It is nothing compared to the level of power and relevance you will attain by becoming a queen. Don't you understand? Well, how long will you dwell in cloud cuckoo land? Eh? Think.
I'll be right back.
It's all right. But think about it. While on the road, while sleeping, sleep with it.
Good morning, Your Highness.
Good morning. Sit down.
Thank you. Your Highness.
Nkechi, is it?
Yes, my king.
Unfortunately, your friend Oma is not in the palace at the moment. She left a couple of minutes ago.
My king, I I am not here to see Oma. I actually came to see you, Your Highness.
Me?
Yes.
Well. I hope no problem.
There's no problem, Your Majesty. I came to give you my condolences because I know this must be a very difficult time for you. And I want you to know that I am here for you in case you need someone to talk to, Your Highness.
That's very thoughtful of you. You know, my dear, I married my wife, the Queen, when she was still very young. Many suitors came for her hand in marriage, including me. She turned all of us down. Me particularly because maybe I was a king. When at last she agreed because she truly loved me. She also found out that I loved her with my whole heart. Life has a cruel way of separating true love.
Please, do not let this overwhelm you. A lot of people in this community look up to you for guidance. They still need you.
Nkechi, you are young, but wise.
Thank you, Your Highness. Thank you. I also want to let you know that if it pleases the king, I would not mind coming to keep you company anytime you are down or sad.
Again, very thoughtful of you. Yes, I could do with company, yes. Yes, because these days I could slide into depression very easily.
Well, in that case, just feel free to call me at any time. I'll be available for you.
Yes,
and if you don't do that, Chike will take advantage.
Well, that's what's the fuss all about. I could hear you people even from my upstairs chamber. Eh?
Your Highness, I greet you.
Oh no.
As the Unknown, and the second most important person in this land. Permit me to relay the thought of the land and its people. Your Highness, I know you might feel it's too soon to entertain the issue we are about to raise, but it's a matter of kingdom urgency.
Yes.
It's been some months now since the demise of your dear wife, the Queen. May her gentle soul rest in peace. But permit me to ask this question, Your Highness. Don't you think it's a high time that you took another wife? Because this throne needs an heir. And the people of this land have been waiting patiently to see your next line of action. If on the other hand you have decided to name your younger brother Prince Chike the heir presumptive, who are we to say no? But otherwise, you need a wife and a son. Thank you.
Oh, yes. Thank you.
Oh, my daughter. Oma, there is something very important I'd like to discuss with you.
Okay. What is it?
Oma, let me apologize to you for pushing you aside, neglecting you all along. You are my firstborn child, and you deserve every attention I should give you. I was just blinded by my quest for a male child, but I'm happy I've repented of it. So once more, I am sorry.
It's okay, Dad. There's nothing to be sorry about. I hold no grudge against you.
Oma, I want to let you know that I have chosen you as the heir apparent. My
Yes!
Come. I hope you know what that means. It means that you are in line to the throne after me. Okay? Who needs a son? When there is somebody like you, a full-blown girl, a pretty girl, a wise girl. So you deserve it.
Thank you, Father. Thank you. Father, I am honored. I truly am. But you know the law of the land. A queen has never ruled this land before. What makes you think they will accept one now?
Oma, come here. Come here. Sit. Now, you know your father. Your father is the king. And no one will dispute father's choice. You will be king after me.
Okay. Thank you, Father. Thank you, Father. Thank you. Thank you.
You want to be king?
Your Highness, the entire people of this kingdom are not going to accept that decision. Because it has never been heard in the annals of the history of Amanze that a woman ruled over us. For crying out loud, this is an age-long tradition. It cannot be changed overnight.
Oh no.
Your Highness.
Oh no.
Your Highness.
Elders, let us not forget that the great deity of our land, of this kingdom, the protector of this kingdom, Nengene, is a goddess, a female god. That's why we have females, only females working in the palace. Oma is my only child, my flesh, my blood. She is royalty. She is qualified to be the heir apparent to the throne. Period.
A woman, the ruler of our land. I wonder what the neighboring communities will think we are. Weak, of course. Weak. The princess size is also a problem. Or don't we see it?
My daughter Oma is intelligent. She is smart. Her size is immaterial and she's not a child. She is going to handle the affairs of this kingdom. So shall it be. I, King Basil, I have spoken.
Basil, ebe gị na-agbaghị mbọ. Ebe gị na-agbaghị mbọ. Come on, get away from me. Tell me it's not true.
What is not true?
Tell me it's just a rumor. What a lot of things. People are saying, tell me it's a rumor.
What is it you're hearing?
Basil, that you are planning to hand over the throne to your daughter, Oma. Tell me it's not true.
Well, it's not true.
Let it not be, oh. Let it not be. I know you will not make that kind of mistake. After a second thought, did you just tell me what I want to hear? Or was it the truth?
Chike, well, no, ebe gafe na wolo organuzo amonu ye oto popo. See you wearing white. White does not fit you in any way. Inside of you is rotten. All the pito. Chike, listen. Gemonte, whichever way you say it, that's how it is. Okay, I do not need you. I do not need you or anybody here or outside to tell me how to rule this my kingdom. I have chosen my daughter as my sole heir and successor. She will make a fine queen.
Fine what? Find what? To rule over who? Me. When the royal family has a capable, elegant young man to take over the throne, you want to give it to a girl? A young into two. Eh? It will not happen.
Young man, no daughter.
Daughter. A daughter. One man very well.
So who is going to stop it?
Me. I'll stop him. Ma into two. Over my dead body will a woman ascend that throne. Madin Dwome.
Chike. Otoro pọpọ. Ọ gafee ama na ọ gafere. Ọ ga n'ụzọ ama onu ya.
Want to be our king. Wait for your turn. If I be femo. In a chucky buligwe. Wait for your turn. If I be femo. In a chucky chibo to Daniel. Wait for your turn. If I be femo.
What is good about this afternoon? You think I don't know your plans? You and your father is planning to push me aside. It will not work.
Uncle, I don't understand. What have I done to deserve these accusations?
Just listen to me. Tell me the gospel truth. Are you fit to handle this kingdom?
Well, my father thinks so. I'm beginning to feel the same way. Or do you question his judgment?
Listen. I cannot sit and watch a child I buried in my hands not long ago to come and take away something I've been waiting for all my life. By right, I'm supposed to be the king after the death of your father. Naming you his successor is trying to bypass the long-time tradition of this kingdom. And it will not happen.
Uncle, be careful. Be careful, because by the way you speak, one might think you want the king to die soon. Well, as for the throne, it's time for change.
It will be.
Besides, by the history of your misconduct, I don't think anyone wants such a person like you to take such an important position.
So you are the person that can take that important position. I can see you have grown and you can talk back at me at will. No problem. We shall see. Mbaji. If I was in a warehouse.
Good afternoon. Belly. Come and eat.
Nkechi,
Papa.
do you know that today the king named his daughter the heir to the throne?
Are you serious? Hey! At last, my friend will get what she deserves. Hey! Come and call her later, Biko. This is good news.
Nkechi,
Papa.
are you listening to yourself? Have you gone bananas? You are rejoicing that another person will become a queen. You yourself, can't you strive to become a queen?
Papa, what if I was not meant to be a queen? What if that crown was not meant for me? Have you even thought of the fact that the king might not even look my way?
But the king must look your way. If at all he has a third leg in between his legs. Eh? I mean, my daughter is beautiful. dutiful enough to make haste turn her direction, including that of the king. Sorry for shouting at you, but this is an ample opportunity for you to make me, your father, proud. Make your mother proud, so that wherever she is, she will be happy and proud of you. Do you hear what I said? Good.
Yeah. Who is it?
Good evening, Your Highness.
What are you doing here?
I came to see the princess.
Yes.
But it got late and I couldn't go home. So I decided to spend the night here.
But this is my room. What are you doing in my room?
I came to keep you company. I just felt you might be lonely, so I am here to help.
No. You thought wrong. I'm fine. I don't need your help. I don't.
Your Highness, how long will you pretend that you don't need a companion? It's been a while since you lost your wife. So if you ask me, I think you should open up your heart and move on.
Oma, I have actually looked for you.
Okay. Any problem?
There is no problem. I just want to let you know that I have taken this decision to get a new wife.
What? Father! What about the promise you made to me? About me taking over the throne from you?
Oma, that promise stays. That promise is irrevocable. All right? You are my firstborn child. And I promised you that you are my sole heir.
Father, I don't think Mom would like to marry so soon. It looks like you couldn't wait to get rid of her.
My dear, you see, this life must continue for the living. Even your mom will understand that there is need for me to forge ahead. Okay? We loved one another. We understood one another. And we know that there is need for life to continue.
Okay, Dad, I'm sorry. I shouldn't have said that. But I miss Mom.
Mama, I miss her too. I miss her every day of my life. But this life must continue.
So you don't want him to remarry? Is that what you're saying?
Left for me, I would stop him. I mean, what does he need a wife for? When he has chosen me as a heir.
Are you okay? So, you think your father deserves to spend the cold nights alone without a woman to warm his bed? Eh? Don't you know that your father is still strong and agile? I'm very sure that most nights he will be longing for the warmth of a woman around him.
I know, but it's too soon.
What is he waiting for? Oh, wait, you don't know that if not for this your small size, because people still, when they see you, they think you are a child. Don't know that you have been attracting suitors since. Huh? Okay, if you eventually find one now, and you marry him, and then you go with him, who do you think will stay back and take care of your father? Keep him company, keep him warm. At least he will not be talking to the walls alone, if not that his new wife. Eh?
You are right. I have been selfish. Thinking that my father needs to pay attention to me. Well, he needs to think about himself.
Exactly. He needs to think about himself too.
Thank you for being my friend. What would I have done without you?
Nothing, no. No, you should ask yourself that question now. You can't do anything without me. Eh? But you know that I have your interests at heart. And I'll always be here for you. So don't worry. Allow the man to enjoy himself. He still needs it.
Nkechi, I've always said you are young, but full of wisdom. Nkechi, you will make a very, very good queen around here. Nkechi, marry me and become my queen. Elders, you're welcome. You are most welcome. And I thank you for leaving whatever you're doing to answer to this my urgent summons. Thank you very much.
Your Highness, you are our king. Even if it is in the middle of the night, you have need of us. We will all be here. Of course. Yes.
Thank you, Mazio Obu. Thank you. Thank you for those kind words. Yes, they went straight deep down in my heart. Elders, following the death of my dear wife, the Queen, I felt I could continue to mourn and mourn and mourn Sign Dine. Because her death really cut a deep anguish inside of me. However, I thank our ancestors that just when I thought I was not going to end that morning, I quickly came to myself, looked around, and realized that I am still the king.
Yes.
And that the affairs of this kingdom cannot wait. The affairs of the kingdom must continue. And so that's why I called you people to announce to you this critical decision I have arrived at. Elders, I have thought it wise that I should marry again.
So what?
We are gonna borrow It's a good thing. Very good thing. The best news I've had the whole week. Yes. May you live long, Your Highness.
Your Highness, just leave me in charge of looking for a suitable maiden for you. Be it in this village or even the...
Look, Massimoso, look! If you don't have anything better to say, just keep quiet. Eh? Why must you look for a wife for the king? Are you saying that our king doesn't have an eye for good women again, or what?
Yeah. Oh no. Did I perhaps take your farmland or something that belongs to you knowingly or unknowingly? No, I'm asking because I want to know why you are taking medication over someone's sickness.
What I'm saying
am I talking to you?
Listen to me, shut up and you know what I'm saying is...
You know what we call it?
Listen to me. What I'm saying is that you must allow the Igwe to finish speaking before you bring about your stupid and irritating suggestion.
Oh no, you was stupid.
Can you please listen?
Please,
to
the king. It's because of the king is here. If not,
sorry, Your Highness.
Sorry, Your Highness.
Elders, why must we quarrel over this? This is an otherwise happy, merry occasion.
Of course, doesn't call for a matchmaker.
Aye, please. Well, yes, Mazinwosu.
Your Highness. Very sorry, Your Highness.
Thank you for offering to help. But I don't think I will be needing that kind of help now because I have actually found who I will marry.
Very good. You want to know who the marriage is? This calls for celebration. I look at us. My own friend is looking at me.
Good news.
Your Highness.
Who must that be?
Oh no. Oh no. I will come knocking on your door. It is your daughter Nkechi that I have found.
Nkechi? Nkechi, my daughter?
Yes. Oh no, I hereby congratulate you.
Oh no.
Yes.
You are going to be
looking at me. I congratulate you.
You see, following the death of my wife, Nkechi started coming here, and each time she came, she did things for us here in the palace. And I tell you, at the end of the day, my assessment of her is, I have found someone who is both wise and beautiful. Yes, beauty and wisdom. And she will make a very good queen.
Your Highness, I just don't know what to say. Even I don't know, she has been coming to your place to do all this, eh? I mean, to me, it's like a dream.
Yes.
I mean, for the king to ask for my daughter's hand in marriage is a huge honor.
Great
I don't know what to say.
Very great honor.
He has said everything, not just make her from any village or wherever. Hey,
I've been listening to you and I'm trying to understand why you are upset. I thought we both want the same thing.
Oh, really? And what is it?
Your father's happiness, of course.
I doubt. I doubt. So this is the reason you want my father to remarry. So you can go behind me and seduce him, right?
I did not seduce your father. I believe your father truly and genuinely loves me because of the good traits he saw in me. You know, I thought as my friend, you will be happy. You'll be happy that your father chose someone you know instead of an outsider. So, what is the problem here? I mean, you're like a sister to me.
We are not sisters. And we can never be sisters. Because a sister of mine can never go around me to backstab me. See, let me tell you. Whatever it is you are planning, it won't work. It will never work. Now get this into your thick head. My father will never marry you.
She said that?
Yes. There is nothing the princess did not say to me today. You know what? I kept wondering what I did to deserve all that insult. Because I thought we were friends and she would be very happy for me.
My dear, come on. Wipe these tears, okay? Wipe these tears. Huh? Do not allow whatever the princess said to you to affect your demeanor. Okay? See, Oma is my daughter. She can only bark, not bite. Okay? At any rate, I've taken my decision. That's final. I put the palace, the elders on red alert. Everybody is looking up to it.
Are you sure?
Of course, very sure. Yes, that's why I said, step out of it and be happy. Your marriage is just a few weeks ahead. Okay? There is no going back on it.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Your Highness. Thank you.
Go. Be happy.
I want you to listen attentively. Because one, I don't like repeating myself. Secondly, any default will attract grave consequences. Henceforth, no one is allowed into the king's chambers without my permission. Secondly, every household affairs must go through me. And I mean every one of them. Do I make myself clear?
Yes.
Hey, wonder shall never end. Imagine what happened this afternoon. Nkechi of yesterday. Hey.
Can you imagine?
She has even become our queen. Eh? she now orders everybody around.
What do you expect from someone that schemed her way into becoming the queen?
Exactly. I knew she was up to no good. She just used the princess as a means to get the king.
Our dear princess. I can't imagine how she feels.
Honestly. How else do you want her to feel? If not bad. She's feeling so bad. I can't stand my friend getting married to my father. Never! It will not happen.
Honestly, I feel for her.
See the way she carried herself. When darling.
I'm not surprised. Did you see how she was ordering us? I don't want to do this. Rubbish. Oh my God. No.
Madam, welcome. You have tried. And you can't even greet. Anyway, the king has been looking for you all day. Where have you been? Oh, Biama, how long are you going to keep avoiding me? You have to accept the fact that we're now related in a way. And this relationship I'm talking about, you should accord me a very big respect because I am now your stepmother. Do you hear me? So if you like, meander around this whole compound. Gallivant around this whole palace. Hide in every room in this palace. Every day and every morning you wake up, you must see my face.
So, does it mean I have to talk to you? Why can't you just leave me alone? If I don't want to talk to you, why force me?
Because it is beginning to affect my husband, the king. Do you hear me? Listen, if I start giving you the same cold shoulders that you're giving me in this palace, do you think you will survive? Can you survive it?
Oh, really? Well, why don't you?
That is the wrongest question to ask me, Oma. I know why I am trying so hard to keep the peace in this house. If not, war. Am I a soldier to war? You know what I can do? You know me very well.
I know you too well. That's why I know you're bad for my father.
And it is eating you up, right? It is killing you inside, right? The fact that you're no longer the king's favorite is biting you. Your problems have not started though. Just cool down. Cool down first, Very soon, my sons will start popping out. By then, you will be pushed down the scale of preference. In fact, you will be totally insignificant. I mean, who needs a queen when there are sons everywhere that will succeed the king when the time comes? Look at you. If you are wise, you should be coming close to me. But your brain is as short as you. So, I don't blame you. Anyway, listen. Peace or war, the choice is yours. Any card you deal me, trust me, I will take it up from there. Up with war, please. Zoos away. Rubbish. Hey. I've not seen anything. Because I managed to be your friend.
Oh no.
Your Highness.
You said you want to speak with me, so what is it?
Your Highness, it has to do with the princess, Oma.
My own daughter?
Yes.
What about her? What happened?
The whole picture is not yet clear, but it's only good that we nip it in the bud.
No, please don't go round and round. Let me hear what you have to say. Say it, let me hear it. What is it?
If you say so. Your Highness, yesterday it was reported to me that the Princess Oma was sighted holding hands with one of these village boys, and both of them walked into the bush.
Huh?
Yes.
My daughter. Holding hands. Walking into the bush. What?
Huh? That's the question. Even myself, I dismissed it as a baseless talk. But on a second thought, this person who reported this matter to me has nothing to gain by lying against the princess.
No. Nemanja, look at me. Are you sure of what you are saying?
Like I say, your Highness, that's what I was told. But the important thing is that let us hope that the princess is still a maiden. Because all these mischievous village boys, the only thing utmost in their mind when they see beautiful maidens like Oma, not minding her size, just to pounce on them like dogs who pounce on meat.
Oh no.
Your Highness.
What? How do we tackle this? How do we solve this?
Well, Your Highness, if you will consider my suggestion, I will suggest that a suitor be sought for Oma. Somebody from a royal family, so as to guard against any possible embarrassment. That's my suggestion.
You think there may be an embarrassment? What kind of embarrassment? What kind of embarrassment?
Father, you sent me.
Yes, I sent for you. What's this nonsense I hear?
What do you mean? I don't get it.
You're asking. Okay. What's this nonsense I hear about your running all over the kingdom with some bunch of lousy boys, young men?
What? Who brought that accusation?
Doesn't matter who brought the report. Truth is that you are running all over the place, trying to bring down the reputation of this kingdom by moving around with a bunch of no good people. Now listen, did Chike bring you up to this?
Father, please stop! Stop it!
Oh, goodness me. She's not denying, she's not even denying it. She's guilty. What?
Your Highness, what is going on? I mean, why are you shouting? I mean, your voice can literally be heard all over the palace. What is it?
Well, that's her. Talk to her. Talk to Oma. Talk to her before she brings brings down the reputation of this royal family by running all over the place with a bunch of people, vagrants.
Oh, Your Highness, please, don't stress yourself. You don't have to stress yourself, okay? It's okay. Okay? It's not good for you, and it's not good for your health. I am very sure my stepdaughter here will not want to put the name of this family and the image of this family to shame. Will you, Oma?
Well, she better not. And now listen, Oma. I have decided to find you a husband. Yes, before you bring down this family, it's better you get married. Right?
Oh my...
It's better you get married. Yes.
My husband, you are so brilliant, and that is why I love you. Leave her. She's just finding it difficult to come to terms with your decision. But don't worry. Trust me, she will come around. Okay? But trust me, that is a good decision. Yes. I mean, she's old enough to start making her own family. Yes. Very beautiful decision. We will find her a husband. With your influence, men will fall over to get her hand in marriage. Trust me. Trust me.
You're wise.
Your Highness, you say you wanted to see me.
Oh no.
Your Highness.
Are you a good man?
I'm a good man. You know I'm a good man.
What would you do to make your daughter happy?
Oh, my daughter. Nkechi, my daughter. Your Highness, you know it's my only daughter. So there's no extent I will not go to make sure that she's happy.
Including disposing my daughter, Oma.
I don't understand what you're saying, Your Highness.
No. I have been thinking long and hard. You are the second most powerful man in this kingdom.
Yes.
You probably would want to get rid of me and install your own person on the throne.
Your Highness, this is a very serious allegation. And why should you think of me in that manner?
My daughter has never disappointed me. Never. But you came to me and lied. Lied that my daughter misbehaved outside. And I believed you. You went ahead and suggested that I marry her off. Then all of a sudden my daughter disappears. And for 2 days I have not seen her.
It's unfortunate, Your Highness. But if it is that, I was simply talking out of genuine concern for the princess' reputation.
No.
Your Highness.
Regrettably, I have arrived at a decision. I don't think your intentions towards me are sincere. I have therefore decided to strip you of your position as the Onowu. Thank you for your services. You may leave my presence now.
Your Highness, this is going to be a very grave mistake.
Are you threatening me?
Oh, no. I'm not threatening you, Your Highness. I only wish you good health and long life.
Guards!
Has it come to calling guard? Yes, we're discussing mano a mano.
Let's move, sir.
I'm talking to Your Highness! Tell this! Tell them to let go of me! Tell them to let go of me! And you know where. Your people are. We're not standing for your people. Oh, yeah. You have to me like this.
Your Highness, please, what is going on? I need to understand what is going on. Can you explain to me why you stripped my father of his position as the Onowu of this kingdom? Why?
Can you tell me? Can you tell me where I can find my daughter?
What is my business? What is my business? And what has my father's position got to do with the disappearance of your daughter? How are they connected?
Because your father in his ambition came to me and lied to me about my daughter. Without thinking, I believed him. Now my daughter has run away.
Who told you? No, I am asking you. Who told you that he lied? How did you know he lied?
Because I know my daughter. I know her. My daughter may be stubborn in other ways, but certainly not in that.
Says who? No, on what authority are you saying that? I know your daughter very well. She was my friend. And I've hung out with her more times than she ever did with you. Forget her size. Forget how innocent she looks. I've seen her with men. And I'm talking about huge men, big men, men bigger than her size. Who knows if she has run away with one of them? And I'm very sure that she's there. Maybe she just ran away with one of them. Ah!
What temerity! What temerity! Speaking about my daughter in that manner. You will do well to remember your position in this palace. I will not have you speak evil about my daughter, not in her absence.
So you slapped me because of that evil dwarf you call a daughter, who I am very sure is somewhere enjoying herself with a man. Go ahead. Slap me and your unborn child.
What was that you said?
I said, I am pregnant, so you can go ahead and kill your own flesh and blood if that is what you want.
That's some great news. Since when did you know about this?
Oh, so now you care. Now you care. right? Okay, listen. I am going to walk away from this palace. In fact, I will walk away from you. You will never see me again until you reinstate my father to his rightful position.
You're not serious.
Really? Watch me.
So none of you has heard or seen anything about my daughter this past 1 week?
Your Highness, we have searched everywhere. Even the neighboring villages. She seems to have disappeared, Your Highness.
If you fail to find my daughter, your own family will disappear. Who even let her out of this palace in the first place? And how come you even let her leave this palace without any guard? No guard!
Your Highness, the princess does not allow anyone to accompany her whenever she's going out. She likes to go alone.
I will pay anything. Please double your efforts and find my daughter. Find my daughter and get the reward, please. You are dismissed.
Ngene do. Onu na-ekwulu ngene abatano. No bo. My king, the princess, is safe wherever she is.
Eyes of the gods, please tell me, where is my daughter?
That I cannot say, but I assure you, the princess will return back to this palace, safe and sound.
Your Majesty.
Hey! Hey! Ngene! Hey!
Ogini ka ọ na-afụ ihe a? Ọkwa ngene onine kwuru. Wow. I smell doom.
Huh?
Hi!
How do you
Hi!
There's a wine.
Kokotiko. 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 Ozigini, obuzigini, obuzigini, ngene, manite nije. Onu na-ekwuru ngene. Hey! Hey! Ogini dị ya. Ọkụkụ ntị ike n'ihe n'itofe osikapa. Ọkwa na ọnụ na-ekwuru ngene, ngene do.
How do you mean there's a wine? Please tell us.
Hi. That's the much I can say. I will come back to the palace when the gods reveal more.
Hey, this is very serious. This is very serious.
Hey! Oh, give me.
Princess, is it you?
Is she a princess?
She is our princess.
Nai, please, who are you?
Ichie Nnayerugo, a member of King's Royal Council. What are you doing with our princess? Do you know how long we have been looking for her?
I am shocked. I never knew she is a princess.
She is our princess.
Nai, it's a very long story. She cannot even recognize anything.
Where are you taking her? To my house. Can I go with you? Please, now, yes. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. She is our princess.
Your Highness. Your Highness. A man is here asking to see the king.
Okay. Bring him inside.
Thank you, Your Highness. Your Highness.
Majesty. Greetings, Your Majesty.
You want to see the king? What for?
I have news concerning the princess, Your Majesty.
You mean you please, what news do you have? Do you know where she is?
Yes, Your Majesty. I found her in the bush and I took her home. She is presently in my house.
Ha! That is very good of you. Very good. I mean, the king will be so pleased. But unfortunately, he is not in at the moment. But I will send a guard to go with you so they can bring the princess back to the palace.
No problem.
Can you excuse me, please?
Okay.
Ndidi.
Yes, Your Majesty.
I want you to go with this young man. He says he has the princess with him. Go to his house and finish the job. And if you disappoint me this time around, I am going to have your tongue on a platter. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, Your Majesty.
The king wants to see you.
Where is he?
Where is who?
I was told a young man came here who knows the whereabouts of my daughter. Where is he?
Oh, I sent him away.
You did what? Why?
I mean, he had the guts to ask me to give him money first before he tells me where the princess is. Don't you think there's something dubious about it?
Oh. You think I care about the money you give him more than my daughter?
My king, I want you to understand that there are a lot of dubious people in this kingdom. They look for every and any opportunity to make money off anybody that is in distress. Now think about it. Why did he not come with the princess? Then ask us to reward him instead of asking us for money first before taking us to the princess. If you ask me, that man is just after money. He doesn't know where the princess is. If you give him that money, trust me, you will never see him again.
There is sense in what you say. Yes. Yes.
My king, I have lived my whole life with these people in this kingdom, and I know a con man when I see one. And that young man that came here is certainly one of them. He doesn't know where the princess is. He just wants the money.
I had seriously hoped it could be true. Will I ever see her?
Time will tell. Okay? But don't lose hope.
I want to ease myself.
Is that why you stopped?
Yes. Can you know?
Do that when you get to your house.
No. I can't hold it now. I can't hold it. Please. Okay, if you are doubting me, follow me. Follow me. Okay, follow.
You can go. Be fast.
Thank you.
Don't waste my time. What are you still doing? Just come out! You can do it halfway there. When you get to your house, you complete it. You're wasting my time. Wait, this man is not responding. I hope it's not what I'm thinking. Very big fool. Very big fool. If not for one thing, I would have given you a dirty slap here. How dare you? This is the second time. The second time you have failed to accomplish a simple mission. Very simple mission. With your big head. Big bowed head that is just big for nothing. How can you tell me that you cannot kill a little girl? How hard will it be to kill a girl? Answer me. This is not just any girl, Your Majesty. This is the princess. And besides, I didn't get to see her. The young man tricked me before we go to his place. Just shut your mouth. Just listen to yourself. The young man tricked me before I could get to the place. Listen, if this plan backfires, I will make sure you take the fall for it. And I will make sure you are punished adequately for it. Do you hear me? Big fool! Useless idiot! That is what you are. Get out before I change my mind and give you that slap after all. Fool! Hi! Hello? Yes, Father. Father, we really need to discuss. Yes, there's a big problem that is threatening to spoil everything that we planned. Okay. That is not a problem. I will come and see you tomorrow.
So the princess is still alive?
Though I didn't see her with my eyes. Yes. The young man said he saw her in the bush and took her to his house.
Who is this young man? Do you know where he lives?
I have never seen him before until that day. I don't know who he is. Hi. So, Father, what do we do? If the princess returns, it will expose everything. All our plans will be laid bare for all to see.
Don't worry yourself. If we can't get the princess, we will go straight for the king.
Go for the king? How? What is it? What is this?
This is the key to securing your future and that of this family. With this, the king will be taken out of the way and nobody will stop us again.
You want me to kill the king?
You're the one who is calling it killing the king. I call it getting the king out of the way. By the way, it's not going to happen immediately. This preparation is going to weaken the king and get him out of the way slowly. He's not going to die immediately. The effect of this preparation is going to be slow, steady, and painless. Take it. We have come already too far to lose everything. Take it.
Your Majesty. Go upstairs and call the king for dinner.
But Your Majesty, only you has the right to call the king to dinner. I'm sorry, Your Majesty.
It's okay. Don't worry. I will dish the food myself.
All right, Your Majesty.
I've seen how much you regard me. You sent a maid to call me.
My love, I only stayed back to make sure that everything is in order before you come down. Okay? Okay?
You're not eating?
No. You know my condition. I'm actually feeling very nauseous. But I'll make do with some fruits. Hey, what did you go in there to do? I hope you did not go there to disturb the king, because he needs all the rest he can get.
He was my brother long before he became the king and my husband. I don't need to explain it to anybody, including you. What did you do to him? Huh?
Let go of me. And what do you mean by that silly question?
The king can be a fool, but he's a strong man. A simple sickness cannot make him weak. What did you do to him?
Yes. Are you okay? Are you sure you are okay? Because I don't understand the meaning of this question.
Is that so? Maybe I'm being favored by the ancestors. Maybe this is the time for the king to relinquish the throne to me. And for your information, according to the customs and traditions of this land, you will become my wife when I take over the throne. That's it. So, it's so lovely.
Chike, or whatever miserable name you choose to call yourself, keep dreaming. But you see that throne, you will never get it. You will never smell it. Talk more of sitting on it. Because the king will soon have a son. And according to the customs and tradition of this land, the heir is the rightful owner of the throne. So if I were you, I will stop dreaming. I will stop wasting my time and focus on other things.
That means she's pregnant. We shall see.
Oga, move. Stop looking at me. Move! I'll use force on you. I'll use force on you now. Oga, don't do me. Oga, gawa aka. Naga.
Elders of our land, this man here, who claims to be the king's brother, is very evil and pretentious. He came to visit the king today, and all he talked about was how he intends to take over the throne immediately the king passes. He even had the guts to threaten me. He threatens to throw me and my unborn child out of this palace if we dare stand in his way.
My babe, this is a very serious allegation. Very serious indeed. I have always said it. Yes, I have always said it that Chike is too over-ambitious. And it is not surprising if he is not the one that is behind the deteriorating health of the king.
Mazi Dike, it is not advisable for us to just jump into conclusion. We haven't heard from Chike. We haven't heard the other side of the story.
Are you saying that the queen is lying?
Mazi Obu, that is not what I said. I said that since Chike is here, let him tell us what happened.
All right. We have heard you. Chike, you heard the queen. Can you please defend yourself?
You want me to defend myself?
Yes.
You want me to defend myself? What are you doing there? What? Sit down! Sit down! Please sit down! What are you doing there? Who kept you there? Who crowned you the king, the ruler of this village?
I can see you have lost your senses. The king, my husband, is indisposed. And this kingdom will not run itself. Someone needs to do it. And his wife. And the responsibility has fallen on me. And that is exactly what I am doing.
Never! That will not happen. I will not sit down here and watch you sit down.
I'll do it you.
Ndeda, I could never. You are watching. I'm depressed. Look at what they did to me. Huh? I will not sit down and watch you desecrate the throne. That throne belongs to me by right. When you know about it,
you are looking for a throne to sit on, right? You want your own kingdom, right? Guards,
Yes, Your Majesty.
Take this man to the dungeon. Make a throne for him there. That will be his kingdom until he realizes his place in this palace. Make him a very good throne in there. Let him stay there until he learns his place in this palace.
Don't touch me.
Move, sir.
Move! Move!
Does anyone have an objection? In that case, this meeting is over. And thank you very much for your usual support.
Also, Your Majesty, the health condition of our king is getting worse day by day. He doesn't exhibit any signs of getting better. I personally suggest we invite a doctor to have him checked, or better still, take him to the hospital for better treatment. Please.
Ichie, you all know that I love my husband. Now, do you think that I would not want him to be hale and hearty? Do you know how many nights I stay awake just praying for his quick recovery? Do you know the stress, the pain, and the agony I pass through taking care of my sick husband? Do you know the sleepless nights just hoping that this nightmare will go away? I want my husband to recover. I want him back. But I wish I can agree to take him to the hospital. But I swore an oath to him and I don't have any intention of breaking it.
An oath, you said? What kind of oath?
You see, before this sickness really got him down, he made me promise him. He made me swear to him that I will not take him to a hospital. Because he claimed the hospital took his wife. And he would rather stay at home and take his chances than go there. So you see, my hands are tied. Left to me, I would have taken him to the hospital long ago. But you see that I can't.
Mazidike.
How are you?
How are the family?
We are fine, I just.
You can see me just coming out from the palace. I went there to plead with the queen to see how we can take our king to the hospital to have him checked.
And what did she say?
What do you expect? She bluntly refused, bringing up a lie about how the king made her to take an oath not to take him to the hospital, even if he's sick. I wonder the type of satanic, devilish woman this woman is. A woman that lies on her sick husband. Eh? Kodi Marubonka.
Nazi Wonsu.
My friend.
We have been friends and members of the same royal council for many years now.
Of course, you're right.
And we all had our doubts when the king announced that his daughter, the princess, should take over after him. Are you now saying that the princess will make a better leader than Chike or the king's wife?
No. Of course. If only the princess was found, I have every belief that she is the rightful heir to the throne. But come to think of it, she is nowhere to be found. No one knows where she ran to. No one knows.
The king told me that he regretted stripping my father of his position as the Onowu of this kingdom. In fact, before he went into the deep sleep, he saw the error in that decision and was planning to reinstate him to his position. I am here to fulfill that wish. Does anybody have an objection to this? Oh, then I take it that we are all in agreement. Welcome back, Father.
Thank you, my queen and my beautiful daughter.
You're welcome.
Thank
you. Ichie, can you please vacate the Onowu's seat for him?
I hear. Now listen, I want to ask you a question. Do you love your king?
No, man, but the king is already married.
That is not what I meant. Will you like to see your king dead?
God forbid. All the maidens in the palace pray for the king's recovery.
Good. Would you be willing to take a risk to see the king stand back on his feet?
Anything in line, anything that will make the king recover.
That's very good. So listen, the queen has refused to allow the king to be treated. Now, I just got this from the most powerful Libya in this community. Have it. Take it. I want you to find a possible mint, sneak into his room, mix it with water, and give the king to drink. Find any possible means, give it to him to drink so that he will recover.
But the queen doesn't allow anyone enters where the king sleeps.
Don't just tell me that. The life of the king is in your hands now. Find any possible means, either by hook or by crook. Give it to him to drink. And I assure you that if he recovers, I will personally tell him that you are the one that helped him to stand back on his feet. And that he will reward you, and personally I will reward you. Please, hide it. Oh yeah. Hide it. Oh yeah. I'm not with you.
What are you doing here?
Nothing, Your Majesty. I came to give His Majesty some water.
Did I not warn you all never to step into the king's room?
I'm sorry, Your Majesty.
Get out. Your Majesty, I can see you still have some loyal servants willing to do things for you. Well, the journey to go meet your ancestors is a very long one, and you might be thirsty. So here, have some water, so you will not say I never did anything good for you. Come on, my love. Drink up. Yeah.
Listen to me, Nkechi. We need to finish off the king and silence every other opposition. You know, the elders themselves, they have not forgiven me. They are not happy about my reinstatement, as you know.
Who cares? I mean, I am the law in this land. Anything I say stands. I don't care if they are not happy. The highest they can do is talk and squabble behind me. And that is where their positions are, behind me. They cannot question me. They can only talk behind me. So that one is their business. I don't care.
Even at that, we need to act very fast. You know we still know nothing about the princess's whereabouts.
Forget about the princess. I have forgotten about her and you should too. I mean, now that I am in charge, any day she makes the mistake of stepping foot back into this kingdom, she will meet the same fate as her father.
That's my daughter speaking.
You see that throne? I have claimed it for my unborn child. My unborn child and his generation. You understand? Nobody dare stands in my way.
That's the
Nobody
spirit.
dares it.
I'm behind you.
This power is too good. I'm enjoying it.
You are up there while they are waving.
My princess, you're still alive. Oh, I'm so happy and relieved to see you again.
She doesn't remember who she is.
Oh, I forgot. Young man. Yes, ma'am. Oh, I thank you so much for keeping our princess safe. We are trying so hard, trying our best to see that she returns to where she belongs.
Just for nothing, for nothing. I am just happy that I got there on time before anything bad happened.
That is it. If not, who could have been our hope against that witch that sits on the throne?
So what about the king? I see.
So you remember your father?
Hey!
Eh?
Chike, the elegant prince of Amanze. When last did you take your bath? Because this place stinks. I don't know if you're the one stinking or the environment. Chike, I know you might have been missing your wine and the women. Because being locked up alone in a place like this can make one actually appreciate the importance and value of pleasure and freedom. Well, like the French people will say, c'est la vie. Such is life.
What do you want?
What I want? Well, I have come to give you an opportunity to leave this place. Because I know it's not good for you, let alone a prince. I want you to go back to the good life and pleasure you used to know.
Your daughter kept me here in order to have her way.
Oh, my daughter. My daughter is a fierce person. Like a wounded lion who will do everything to protect herself whenever she feels threatened. Anyway, that's a part of the reason why I'm here. I spoke to my daughter on your behalf before coming here. After all, you're still the prince. Still the prince of Amanze. Eh? Anyway, I think the condition on which you can walk away out of this place free is whether you can accept to renounce every atom of claims on that throne.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you.
Thank you. I do not plan to waste your time, so I am going straight to the point.
Okay.
We have waited enough. A lot of things are happening in this kingdom. Pressing issues that require the attention of a ruling king or queen. As the wife of the king, and since the king is also not showing any sign of recovery, I think you should just crown me queen.
Exactly.
Officially.
Your Majesty, this request is a difficult one.
Very difficult.
It has never been heard that a new ruler is appointed while the ruling one is still alive. Until proclaimed dead, the king is still king.
Exactly.
I see. He must be dead, right? Okay. Let's see how long that will take.
We can think of what next to do.
Nkechi, I mean my queen, did I hear you say that I should calm down? It means you don't know the gravity of what has just happened. The king has resumed his duty on the throne. That means that everything we have been planning has been banjaxed.
So, what do you want us to do? You want us to give up without a fight? That will not happen. It will not happen. Listen, the king is still very weak, okay? If worse comes to worse, we'll give him a stronger poison. A poison that will kill him instantly. We did not come this far for us to lose hope just like that. When the throne is just within our reach. No. No.
In short, I just don't know. I'm not thinking. I need to go home first and then think about my next line of action. But as at now, I am blank. I'm blank, Nkechi.
How do you feel, Your Highness?
Well, I am here. Isn't that what matters? I still remember taking my dinner and heading straight to bed. Then I lost consciousness of most things happening around me.
Your Majesty, we are happy that you are back on your foot.
Where's my daughter? Where is she? Where is my daughter?
Your Highness, the princess is not here in the palace right away. But I assure you she is safe wherever she is.
Where is she? I want to see my daughter.
Your Majesty, She's not there. You need to have rest right now. You cannot see her now until you are fully recovered.
I insist. Take me to where my daughter is, and I want to see her now.
If you say so, I will take him to them.
You don't know how happy I am to see you on your feet. My God, be praised. Do you know I've not had a moment's rest? I have not even had a wink of sleep since you fell ill. I have been wide awake, praying to my God, asking my ancestors to give you a sound health so you can recover and come back to me. Now you are here. I am so happy. Seems like you're about to go out. No, my king. Please, if you ask me, there's no need for you to go out there. There's no rush. You need to rest and recover very well before... Here. A glass of water for you. My king! My love! My...
Mazengosu,
Your Highness.
it is a big responsibility I'm placing on your shoulder. We have discussed this matter. Go and bring back my daughter. But before you enter the palace, take her straight to the hospital. Because of what I'm hearing,
I will do that, Your Highness.
let them make a proper medical check on her. Conduct it. Let the doctors certify that she is medically okay. Then you bring her back to me.
I will do that, Your Highness.
I am sending with you 2 of my most trusted palace guards into your hands to guide and ensure that this movement is smooth and seamless. Huh? Biko, go with dispatch.
Thank you, Your Highness.
Deme.
Let us go.
Deme.
What's going on?
The king sent us to get the princess.
Yes, it's true. And we are taking her straight to the hospital right away.
My princess.
I will see.
Let's go.
Let's go.
I need you to listen to me and listen carefully. I want you to go back inside and do the needful.
Okay, sir.
Do all the necessary things, okay?
Okay, sir.
All right, you can go back in.
Doctor, I need every assurance that my daughter will be fine.
Your Majesty, from the test carried out, it actually shows that she had a concussion on her head from a hard hit. We have tried our best, but as I speak right now, she's stable. I can assure you that she's going to be all right.
Oh, that's good. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. Please just look at her, examine her, certify that she is medically stable. Please, I owe you.
You're welcome, Your Majesty.
Where is my father?
He's inside.
Come out!
I can see you are back. And your prodigal daughter is back too.
Chike, I was not even aware that you were imprisoned. However, I was seriously hoping that your seclusion would change your ways and change your sense of reasoning.
Okay. You think me being alone will make me forget about the throne? Never! Never! I will use my last blood to fight for what rightfully belongs to me. Do you know what I passed through in the hands of that evil girl that you call your wife? And they want me to let go? Never. It will not happen. Never!
Your Highness, you shouldn't have allowed him leave. You know who your brother is. His stubbornness can make him to go and re-strategize and come back to fight you.
Exactly.
And that is true.
Yes. It's true.
You want to be our king, and wait for your turn. If I be femo, in a chucky buligwe, and wait for your turn. If I be femo, in a chucky chibo, and wait for your turn. If I be femo, in a chucky bulese, and wait for your turn.
The king demands your presence immediately.
Yes? For what? Why is he demanding my presence?
Oh no! When you get to the palace, you will know.
Oh, in that case, let me... two of you can go ahead of me. Let me drop this my cloth with my dry cleaner. Huh? I'll just be there.
The king asks us to bring you at once. I do not want to use force on you. Move.
Move!
Don't touch me now. See how to bring on no wood to palace.
No, I beg, move.
I'm telling you people.
Telling you,
I did not say
no,
move.
move.
Move, mad.
Wait for your turn, if I be femme. In a jockey, chibo, and I say, wait for your turn, if I be femme. In a jockey, wait for your turn, if I be femme. In a jockey, chibo, and I say, wait for your turn, if I be femme. In a jockey,
Are you people okay? What is going on here? Why are you pushing him like that? If I
deal with them.
If I give you a dirty slap now, you will pick your teeth from the ground.
What an impudence!
What is the matter?
Your Majesty, we were ordered to bring him to the palace.
Nonsense. That is pure nonsense. Who gave that order? Who gave that stupid order?
I gave that stupid order.
I'm going now. Wait. Move. What is
the problem?
I'm going.
Inside. Try it again. Don't hit my father.
Your Highness, they are manhandling me.
Take it easy. Everyone should take it easy. My king, Your Highness, what is going on? What did my father do to deserve this kind of humiliation? What is happening?
Come into the palace and find out.
Move. Somebody must do it to your father.
It's a lie.
What is going on?
Let somebody make that man sit on the floor.
I will sit on myself. I will sit on myself.
Okay,
sit down. Sit down. Sit down.
Talk to them.
I break your wrist.
Get you set. I welcome you all.
Thank you.
Now that we are all here, I'd like to go straight to the reason I brought all of us together here. You are all aware of the horrendous things that happened in this palace in the recent past. I lost my daughter, or so I thought. However, today I'm happy that my daughter is reunited with all of us, and she is here with us. Oh no. Can you tell us everything you know concerning the part you played in the disappearance of my daughter?
With due respect to your highness, what kind of question is that? Am I the princess's handbag or guard that sees everywhere she goes?
So, You know nothing about the disappearance of my daughter.
My father doesn't know anything.
Quiet. Now, tell us everything you came to me last night and confessed. Tell them.
I was at my duty post that morning when Onowu approached me and asked me to follow him.
If at the end of the day my daughter succeeds in becoming the queen, one, you no longer be a guard. Two, I will give you riches. That's wealth. Number three, I give you a lot of lands. Four, the last but not the least, I make sure that you marry from the royalty. Yes.
I would like that very much.
Very good.
What do I have to do?
Very, very simple. Kill the princess. Do a very neat job. To tell you that I mean what I have told you to do, I give you a test. I have something for you.
Everything I did, Onowu made me do it.
Keep quiet. That's lie. Blatant lie. Eh? What do I stand to gain by doing such a thing?
Onowu, you're supposed to be my best, my most competent supporter. The most competent advisor I have. Onowu, you went beyond the mark.
Okay. Come to think of it, how many years have I been loyal to you and your family? What have I achieved? Eh? Every day, thank you, thank you, thank you, that's all. Can't I gain power? Can't I gain wealth, pieces of land, and so on? Even the stupid elders who are looking at me as if I'm a criminal, if they were in my shoes, they would have done worse.
God forbid.
Take the head.
Who will be on your shoe?
You're ambitious.
Where will your shoe take us to? What type of nonsense is that?
Which size of your shoe? Eh? Ambitious people.
Mountain.
I don't have anything more to say. My father has said it all. He did everything he said he did. He also made me poison the king.
Hey! Oh no. Hey!
You have confessed, so there's no point. We deserve any punishment you decide to give us.
Guards!
Your Highness. Yes, yes.
Take away these two creatures from here. Remove them from our midst and lock them up until I decide what to do with them.
Stand up!
I did not kill somebody.
Stand up!
I'm sorry. I will go on my own. I will go on my own. Hey, somebody will do it to your father.
As
for you.
The only reason you're not joining your father in jail, in detention, in the dungeon, is because of your pregnancy. But mark my words, directly you put to bed, immediately you're delivered of the baby in your womb, you will suffer your own penalty, your own punishment.
You look very beautiful, my princess.
Thank you very much. I'm so sorry I've not come to visit you. My dad has not been too well, so I had to stay beside him.
Okay, so how is he now?
The doctor said the poison has eaten deep into his system. Honestly, I'm scared. I already lost my mother. I don't want to lose my father too.
I'm going nowhere, my dear. I'm here.
Father!
Your Highness.
You shouldn't be out. You need to be on bed.
I've been on bed a little too long. More than enough time. I need to exercise my body. I need to exercise my legs. Who is the young man with you?
Oh, it's Odife, the man that helped me back then.
Young man. Oh, I'm sorry, I've forgotten all about you.
Your Highness.
You know, my dear, I owe you tons of gratitude. You need to be rewarded. Listen, just say whatever it is you want, and I'll give it to you.
You want to reward me, Your Highness? Your Highness, actually, I am not the type that like reward. It was fate that led me to the princess, Your Highness.
Yes. It may have been fate, but you more than deserve a lot of things. You deserve an award. There must be something. There must be something you desire. Come on, say it out.
Your Highness, I'm not the kind that like worldly pleasures, Your Highness. But if it pleases Your Highness, I would like your blessings to have the princess's hand in marriage.
What is that? Are you mad? Are you out of your mind?
No, Your Highness.
A commoner coming to ask for the princess's hand in marriage.
Dad, please stop it.
My dear, if that's what you want, who am I to say no? I don't want to lose my daughter again.
Thank you, Your Highness. I promise to take good care of her. I will give her all I have, Your Highness. Thank you very much, Your Highness.
Nkechi, are you still crying? There is nothing you can do to bring the baby back. Please, don't hurt yourself more by crying. I know how you feel, but you just have to cheer up.
Leave me alone. Do you hear me? Just leave me alone. You think I don't know you're happy? You think I don't know that you came here to mock me, pretending like you're sympathizing with me? What do you mean by I should cheer up? Cheer up for what? Have you lost a baby before? Have you been pregnant before? So obviously you do not know how I feel. So just stay away. Stay away from me.
Nkechi, I understand. This anger you are exhibiting now is out of pain. So I won't hold it against you. But you have to take it easy.
You are the cause of everything I am going through. So don't come here pretending like you care. Because I know deep down inside, you are rejoicing. If you had stayed dead, if you had stayed missing, all these things wouldn't have happened to me. Since you came back to this palace, everything I planned have failed. Now the only thing I have, the only thing that I can beat my chest and be proud of is gone. So, stay away from me.
Please. Please.
Leave me alone. Don't you ever touch me again.
Nkechi. Nkechi, please.
Your Highness, yes. The other time I came, I made my intentions known concerning your daughter, the princess. And today I am here with my friend Chibuzo to make it official, Your Highness.
Thank you.
So these are the things we came with, Your Highness.
Sit down.
Yes, thank you, Your Highness.
Mr. Princess, take it easy. Wait for Ola. Okay, Jules, Mr. Odife.
Yes, Your Highness.
I've seen what you came with. In our tradition, we actually discuss marriage issues, sitting, not standing. That is one. Two, I thank you for bringing these things. But be that as it may, Be that as it may.
Yes, Your Highness.
It is said that mmanya gazie ije aga aṅụ ya aṅụ. Mmanya gazie ije aga aṅụkwa ya aṅụ.
That's true, Your Highness.
Besides, any drink that comes into the Igwe's house cannot be allowed to go out. So thank you for this. Sorry about that.
Yes, thank you, Your Highness.
What will happen is you are mere small boys, and you cannot be sitting with me discussing the marriage of my daughter. You will go home, take a date, return with your parents and with a few elders. You let me know. I will also ask my own people to be present. Huh? So that huh?
Thank you, Your Highness. Like you have suggested, we will go back and come back in the next 3-4 days with my parents and some elders, Your Highness. Thank you, Your Highness. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Highness.
Bye. Bye.
Nkechi.
Your Highness.
This floor is made of tiles. I'm not sure even those your stilettos will be able to perforate the tiles.
Oh, sorry, Your Highness. Perhaps my king would want me to start walking around this palace on barefoot.
Yeah. Hey, Obidogo. It seems the time has come for me to join my ancestors. Elders, please accede to this my last wish. I have no son to present as my successor. But I have a daughter, beautiful and wise. Let me present her to you as my successor.
We will do just as you ask, Your Highness.
Thank you. Thank you.
Father.
Do not let the power and lure of kingship change who you are. Oma.
Father! Father, please stay! Father! No!
Child!
No! Father, please stay!
You great lion of God.
Father, please stay!
Johnny of God.
You, Chika, step forward. You committed a sacrilege. She is not a virgin. Hey! She has been responsible for all the evil atrocities in this palace and this kingdom. Hey! Yes. Now speak. Yes, I'm not a virgin. Hey! Hey! I got a charm from Ezudene.
Hey! Ezudene.
Why this so bodo?
Hey!
Hey! I thank God I found you.
So what is it this time?
Nai. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Nai, it worked like magic. I crossed and I did not even shake. I was standing. Nai, thank you.
Hey, I am evident. The matter of no impossibility. I know how to calm Nengene down. Eh? I'm always evident. I feel you can hear it and I thought on Giga. So you can hear it. What I go, what to say on Giga. But I don't care, but I don't have to tell you that I can say what I go. That one a small thing.
Now you are very powerful. You are very powerful. I now walked in the palace. I've been choosing as one of the guards. Look at my hair.
Ah.
Let me give you a balance.
Congratulations.
Thank you, Nai.
More things to come on your way.
Thank you, Nai. Thank you. Hi, Jide Kiji.
Udod. Ha! Evident, the matter of no impossibility.
Hey! Hey!
Hey! Hey!
Hey! Hey!
Now listen. With what you have done, you have brought anarchy and doom to this palace and the entire kingdom. Hence, now, I mean here right now, you are banished.
Now, here, right now, today. Take her to Nengene Evil Forest.
Remove everything.
Immediately.
Wait. Remove all these things. Remove her.
Wait, take her all this. Don't you forest.
Touch me. I'm sorry.
Take away all nonsense.
Remove her.
Remove your shoe. Help! Help! Hey! Someone move!
I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Move! I'm sorry.
Take her out! How?
Put confusion in. You do this kid.
I need a white fowl for cleansing. Now. Hi.
Hey!
How? Mama. Nene. I have any kenege. I have any kaipocha siwa, burukuzo kipochawa, mazachawa. Oh? Kopoda. Na beze di kwa numa.
Yes.
Kopoda na beze di numa. Oh! How? Nem. Elders. Let's proceed.
Okay.
For the cleansing.
Hey! Nemo! Hey!
Yes, sir.
Please.
Ọzọ emekwana. Ọzọ emekwana. Ọzọ emezinade. Hey, nne m ọma. Hey, nene. Ka anyị kpochawa ma fichawa. Ka anyị kpochawa obi eze. Let's cleanse the palace. How?
Cleansing the palace. Cleansing the kingdom.
Mama, hey. Ịgwa na ihe na-eme. Anyị amara n'ihe na-eme. Hey! Gada n'ike ụzọ. Gada. Ikukwara ya o. Hey!
Accept our cleansing sacrifice.
Do. Asi na ya ka aka na-ere mma. In the absence of Ono, I, Mazi Nwosu Mbama onye ukwu, hereby crown you as queen and the ruler of Amaze community. Step forward.
Okay, sir. Go ahead.
All hail the Queen. Long live the Queen.
You want to be our king, Anazezaza. Wait for your turn, if I be femo. In a jockey, Anazezaza.